name is Mateo, and we are the storytellers of Plaza de la Familia. We're happy to see you here today as we celebrate the heartwarming story of Coco. In this wonderful story, a 12-year-old boy named Miguel sets off on an extraordinary adventure into the land of the dead, where he unlocks an age-old family mystery. Miguel's journey begins in Mexico, where he lives in the small town of Santa Cecilia with a very big family. And he shares a special bond with his great-grandmother Coco. The Rivera family are proud shoemakers. A tradition started by Coco's mother, when her husband left home to become a famous musician and never returned. Since that fateful day, music has been banned in the Rivera household. No music! Now, Miguel loves his family, and he respects tradition, but deep in his heart, he has a secret. He doesn't dream of making shoes. No, Miguel dreams of singing and playing the guitar. Just like us, his passion is music. And this song that Miguel sings tells the whole world exactly how he feels. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. To be here with you tonight, with joy and alegría. This music is my language, and the world is mi familia. Music is my language, and the world is mi familia. This music is my language, and the world is mi familia. Vamos, vamos, ahora sí. Vamos, todos, aplauden así. Everybody, clap along. Eso, muy bien. Eso, mi vida. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. We're here with you tonight, with joy and alegría. This music is my language, the world is mi familia. Music is my language, the world is mi familia. This music is my language, and the world is mi familia. Now, Father Miguel doesn't want to be just any musician. He wants to be like the most famous musician in all of Mexico. The late, great Ernesto de la Cruz. You see, Miguel had learned to play the guitar by watching the classic films of this renowned musical star. Over and over, Miguel watched Ernesto's films, and as he practiced each chord, he heard his idol say, I have to sing, I have to play. The music is not just in me, it is me. And with this next song, Ernesto de la Cruz made the whole world fall in love with him. Remember me. Oh, I have to sing like remember me. Don't let it make you cry. Please, I'm far away. I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you. Tonight we are apart. Remember me. Oh, I have to your heart. Remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only way that I can be. Until you're in my arms again. Remember me. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Remember me. Now, In Santa Cecilia, no one can forget the charismatic de la Cruz, especially on Dia de los Muertos. The Day of the Dead is a special time. We gather to honor our family and friends who have passed on. We create a memorial altar to our departed loved ones. Set out photos, flowers, candles, and a path of marigolds to light their way home. And so, it is on the eve of this family holiday that Miguel discovers a torn photo that leads him to believe his forgotten great-great-grandfather is actually Ernesto de la Cruz. See, Ernesto. Miguel runs to his family and he joyfully announces, I was born to be a musician! But his family is outraged.
No music!
Rabolita smashes his guitar to pieces. Heartbroken and angry, he runs up to Ernesto's grave, defiantly grabs the musician's guitar and strums it with all his might. Suddenly, Miguel finds himself crossing an enormous bridge of marigold petals that takes him into the land of the dead, a magical world where no living person has ever been. Miguelito! There you are! Everybody say, Hola, Miguel!
Hola, Miguel!
Muy bien. Okay, now, this is the moment on Miguel's fantastical journey where he meets a charming trickster named Hector, who helps him find the courage to fulfill his musical destiny. No, wait, you can do it. Yes, this time the encouragement. Vamos, everybody, let's help him out. Miguel seizes the moment. Come on. I know you can do it. Vamos, chamaco. Yes, sir. And for the very first time, Miguel performs this song before a live audience. That happens to be dead.
What color is the sky? I'm your more, I'm your more. You tell me that it's red, I'm your more, I'm your more. Where should I put my shoes? I'm your more, I'm your more. You say, put them on your head. I'm your more, I'm your more. Make you poco loco, un poquititico loco. Wait, yes, I'm not a young guess.
I'll count it as a blessing, and only un poco loco. Eso, Miguelito. Échale bonito, mis días.
Ahora baila la
That you're not making the liberties we're taking. Please, Michael, it's not shaking. Yes. Eso, Miguelito. Adventures led him to solve the Rivera family mystery. Hector was actually his forgotten great-great-grandfather and the musician who wrote Remember Me. And so, music was welcomed back into the Rivera family! And Miguel became a musician. He was born to lead. El Día de los Muertos and las songs of family unite us together in love. In every beat of my proud corazón. Well, our story has come to an end, but our celebration continues here at Plaza de la Familia. Thank you so much for joining us. Muchas gracias. Adiós. Nos vemos. Adiós, Miguel. Que les vaya bien. Bye, everybody. Good job.
Muchas gracias. Thank you for joining us for a musical celebration of Coco. May you continue to enjoy Plaza de la Familia, the celebration of Coco, and the everlasting bonds of family here at Paradise Gardens.
Venga, venga, que no quieres ver.